want to urge international community and the United Nations, now is the time to speak out and wake up. We Tibetans, we are asking as a whole world, this campaign, worldwide campaign, the Flame of Truth, in order to tell the truth to the world what is happening inside Tibet. We Tibetans have a truth. Truth will prevail. It will take time, but with Tibetan, we will never give up our struggle. Our struggle based on peace and non-violence. And but at the moment, 21st century, we are living, our peace and non-violence have not much voice and support. And we lost our country. Tibet was never in history part of China. Tibet was an independent country. And now we lost our country and 53 years gone. We did our best to revive our freedom and our identity, and Tibet belongs to Tibetans. Yes. And we Tibetan inside Tibet, 6 million Tibetan, their wish, their dream is that they may reunite again Tibetan who live free country like us. They have a big hope for us, and the international community and Tibet support group and the United Nations will do something. Of course, everyone is doing something, but not enough. Always say it's not enough. We need you more than before. We need international community, their support. We need you, United Nations, to speak up more. We travel all over the world, really demanding the United Nations, please rethink. Yes, and the resolution, what they made, and also Chinese government is non-stop lying for international communities, saying that the Tibetan people are happy in Tibet, and they have make a big development in Tibet. Of course they did something, but the famous train from Beijing to Lhasa, not for Tibet, is for Chinese people to colonize more inside Tibet. That's right. We know that. Yeah. And if the Tibetan people are happy in our own country, why every day we have a bad news receiving that the cell immolation Tibetans are doing that? We love our life, precious human life, and they are burning themselves to what? That the world is not time to keep silence. Please speak us for our country. But still, there's no news. The press freedom, not in China, not in Tibet. In this case, we need more media. We need freedom of press all over the world. The Chinese government is powerful, of course, powerful in economic, but powerful Chinese won't last forever. Soon, the Chinese government, will crack down.
대링화로 표현한 게 주도주당 체계토 의유 안도 레폰 추만로 록형내 이마 파랑로 업주 이마당 이마 북다제당 마랑로 시주 이마 샤워 양모니지 부채와 도전 문로 랑로 니생아 이마 시기 랑로 메시기 대중라 뭐고체는 구조무요도 되게 다다팀에게 내도 조단 남남 제도실 세다다 다른 기타 tömmissäkin 트렌드로 시바다 tömmissäkin 다버터 대로 시바 상맥이 이거는 다다가 가면 찍는 아제 나로 나스기 되잖아.
Now, Mr. Norji, former President president of the Socialist Party in Geneva, will address to you.
I will firstly ask the permission to speak in French, because we are in Geneva. Mesdames et messieurs, chers amis tibétains, chers amis du Tibet, cette flamme que j'ai eu l'honneur de porter maintenant devant vous est un symbole fort. C'est le symbole de la vie. C'est le symbole de la liberté. Liberté pour un peuple qui en est dramatiquement privé. Le peuple tibétain. Le peuple tibétain qui est lui-même le symbole de tous les peuples opprimés sur cette terre et qui est parmi les plus opprimés d'entre eux. Nié dans son identité, nié dans son histoire, nié dans sa culture, nié dans sa religion depuis plus de 60 ans. La flamme que j'ai eu l'honneur de porter devant vous, c'est la flamme de l'engagement, c'est la flamme de l'espoir. Jamais le Tibet n'a renoncé et jamais il ne renoncera. Cette flamme, c'est aussi la flamme de la foi. La foi du Tibet en ses droits. La foi du Tibet en sa foi. Mais la flamme, nous le savons tous, est aussi tragique. C'est la tragédie de l'oppression. Et c'est l'héroïsme. La flamme, c'est à la fois la vie, mais c'est aussi celle qui consume la vie. Elle exprime la tragédie d'un peuple. Elle exprime la tragédie et l'héroïsme de celles et de ceux qui s'immolent en nombre par le feu pour que leur pays soit libre. Ils se donnent la mort pour que leur peuple puisse vivre. Sacrifice suprême qu'un être humain puisse faire et qui nous laisse dans l'émotion et sans voix. Cette flamme que j'ai eu l'honneur de porter devant vous symbolise enfin celles et ceux qui se réunissent autour d'elle à travers le monde et à travers notre continent, avec nous, comme nous ce jour, mais elle signifie surtout notre unité autour de votre cause, notre ardent désir que vous connaissiez justice et liberté. Elle représente de ce fait toute la chaleur de notre engagement. Flamme tibétaine, tu es notre flamme à nous tous.
Mr. Xavier, I will thank you in name of Women Association here in Switzerland for your doing job and for your support during 2 months for Tibet. Thank you very much.
Tibet inside Tibet. We are always with you. 마주 덤장이다. 마주 덤장. 나라에서 뱀에서의 덤장이다. Tibet inside Tibet. We are